Hey, what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St.Albert Dodge. What I got just behind me here is this 2021 Pearl Red, as you see in the sunlight, which is phenomenal. Ram 1500 Sport Edition. This thing is locked and loaded with lots of options. But first and foremost, let's talk about what powers this beast of a truck. Powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi, best on the best of the best JD Power motor trend truck of every year, of course. 8-speed automatic transmission, folks. Get you locked and loaded, get the job done upright and right in style. Of course, as you can see, you got the sport hood on there, night edition. So you got the black grille, the black badge, the black brow, black vents, the black wheels, the black running board, and get you locked and loaded. So we got the sport hood, LED lights in the front sensors. You got these amazing fuel wheels and these nice Wrangler tires on there. Got a nice little design on them as well to get you, get a little different than all the other Rams that are out there, right? You got the flaps and the running board going from front all the way to the back, and it's black as well. Nice dark tints, gets you locked and loaded. You got the 5.7 box in the back, dual twin exhaust, blacked out by the way. Class 4 hitch receiver, blacked out by the way. Badge, blacked out by the way. And you got your backup camera, you got your backup sensors, folks. And open this bad boy up right here, boom. You got the spray in box liner. I'm about to close this up, close that, just like that. Aluminum, by the way, so it's very light when you're lifting it up, so you're not, getting a workout in it. But let's hop on in the inside. Love to show you more. Hey, what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St.Albert Dodge. Just hopped in the inside of this 2021 Ram 1500 Sport. First and foremost, folks, this thing is locked and loaded with the full gem leather to the brim. All the way to the brim, to the brim. We got the full gem leather seats, front and back, front console, steering wheel, front dash, even on the doors as well, which is just, just wouldn't want to have it any other way. You got the nice Alpine stereo speakers, so if you love your speakers knocking and hitting real nice, the Alpine will really do justice, especially with something that only has 15,000 kilometers on it. You're in a good position in this truck right here, which is great. Power seats get you locked and loaded, heated and ventilated, by the way. You got your power windows, power locks, and you got your power mirrors as well. You got your adjustable pedals just on the down low right here. Leather wrapped steering wheel, heated by the way as well. You got your cruise control, you got your cluster dash navigation, up, down, left, right. You can get the off-road pages on here. You can get the vehicle info, speedometer, screen setup, messages. The list goes on and how and which page you would like it on, which is pretty neat. And if you're hauling a couple things, you can set the gear limits to whatever gear that is suitable for what job you're doing. And of course, on the back of the steering wheel is where the party is happening. So on the right side, you got your volume up, and on the left side, you can change between the stations, which is pretty cool. And once your phone is connected via Bluetooth, you're able to answer and end phone calls at this tab right here and use a voice command just at the touch of the finger, which is great. How can you go wrong with that? Move along to the 4-wheel auto, which is one of my all-time favorite features. It's to set it and forget it mode. You just have it locked and loaded in there. You don't have to think about it. You let the computer do the work for you so you can focus on driving. Or you can put it manual, put in 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low manually, get you locked and loaded. Big 12-inch screen. It's almost like a TV in here, which is great. So it has lots on here. We're going to radio, you got AM, FM, Sirius, XM. You got Bluetooth, USB, aux, and get you done up right. You got the controls, of course. You got the heated seats and vented seats, heated steering wheel. You can access the backup camera at any point in time, which is great. So if you got something hooked on there, you can kind of zoom in there and really see what's going on. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to climate control. Once it's off, you can turn it on. You can control it just from the touchscreen, which is very, very responsive. Very responsive. You can control it through here or on the sides right here. So you still have that button option, which is pretty cool because sometimes, when you're driving, to kind of look at this directly and kind of pinpoint while you're driving, it's a little difficult. Even for myself, I like the buttons and go between the modes, which is pretty cool. Of course, you got your full jam navigation on here, which is pretty cool. So if you don't, you want to use your data on your phone, you can just use it from the navigation from here, which is pretty cool. You got a button here to access the backup camera at any point in time. And once your phone is connected, you'll be able to use the Bluetooth straight from your phone. You can use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, which will have a nice little symbol right here where the phone is at. You got your traction control, tow, front and rear park sensors right there. You got your couple of USBs as well as USB Type-C and your auxiliary cord. Push this tab back, boom, you got a lot of storage, not only all down here, but you got your 12-volt charger, 115-volt charger down here, as well as a couple of phone slots in here. Open this up, there's another storage compartment, bam, open that up, you got another USB, close that up, you got more storage down here. So if you want to put like maybe a purse, wallet, and something where you don't want as many people to see it, throw it in here. Get you rocking and rolling, which is pretty cool. So you got that, and of course you got your panoramic sun roof. Expand it all the way to the back, open it up. I like to use mine year round, literally. So on a warm day like this, or warm-ish day like this for November, open it up and just, you know, enjoy it a little bit, right? That's, why not? So you gotta just enjoy it. And one of the great things about this one that I think is pretty phenomenal is the amount of cup holders that this has. Yes, 2 here. You got a couple in the doors, 2 in the doors. You got 2 back here, 2 in the back, 2 in the other doors back here. Wow, how many more cup holders you need? Enough, more than enough. So you can put your tea, water, energy drinks, more water and more energy drinks, coffee. So you don't have to be sharing or holding it or having to drink it fast. But folks, this thing is something to see and test drive and feel in person. So call or text me to book an appointment or kind of see it in person, or come on down and ask Ralph Joseph. I'll be more than gladly to help you out. I look forward to it. Okay.